Alrighty, let's get started. So I have this old setting spray that I've had for a little while, and it's kind of small, but I wanted to go ahead and get rid of it so it won't take up space. So I'm using that to wet my brushes, or wet my crease brush as I apply that first transition color into my eye. Just getting it, so that there's a nice color gradient when you start adding those colors. Next is the NYC, just a really large eyeliner pencil, I guess you call this. And you're gonna start by applying that right at your lash line and moving it up so slightly. Don't go all the way up to your crease, just kind of, make a noticeable enough line to where it's a thick line, but not too much. Color that in real good to where it's real black. Next, you're gonna add the black color from the Morphe 35B palette, and you're gonna add that to the eyeliner color, pressing it in, making it more dark, and more pronounced. Also, you're blending that up towards your crease, taking care not to go all the way into the crease with the color. So just blending, adding more, taking more away, as you see fit, but just being careful not to add too much black, because you don't want it to overpower the colors that you're about to add. So just adding, not adding a little bit more, blending a little bit more so that it kind of evens out a little bit and it gets all seamless and smoky on the lid. And you can add and take away, according to whatever you prefer. As you can see, I get a little carried away sometimes, but that's kind of good because it shows you're blending. Go back in with that crease color and you're going to blend it like down into the black to fade it out. I don't know where that clip went, but I added a navy blue in my outer V. Now I'm going in with the color above that navy blue in the 35B palette, and I'm adding that to my lid to kind of create this ombre effect with the colors, to where it's dark, then it goes one shade lighter and then another shade lighter. So that was the goal for this look, is to create that kind of ombre with this eye. And you swipe this color and you add as much as you possibly can so that the color payoff is good, so that it's a noticeable color that you have there. And you just add until you've reached a point where you like the color that you're seeing. Then you can stop and add more accordingly, but just I guess you can overdo it, but I really don't think so. I like to play in colors and stuff like that, so I think this is a very nice look. Next, I'm going in with the light blue from the Box of Crayons palette by the Crayon Case, and I'm putting that color in my inner tear duct, or not my tear duct, but like closest to my tear duct on my lid. Putting that color there so that we can have that last color in this color scheme. And this color I had to I wasn't able to swipe it like I did the other ones because it's so sheer and light. So I'm kind of patting it, if you notice, like pat, 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 as opposed to smearing and wiping it like I did the darker color, because I didn't want to lose the shimmer of that light blue. So I was, careful not to lose it, but I was feeling it, girl. I was blending that thing, honey. And you know, you can go back and forth between the colors if you want, but I just kind of do one color until I'm satisfied, then do the next one. So that's what I'm doing here, just kind of getting the overall color, trying to get that frost in there with that light blue so you can see it really well. But yeah, pat, 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 blend, blend, blend. Keep going, you know. Don't stop till you get enough, you know, all that. But yeah, more light blue, more light blue. Show them, girl, show them. Yes, yes, she blended that thing, honey. Yep. So now going back in with this crease color to blend. Psych. We're gonna add more of the color because I wanted to have like a more pigmented look. So whenever I'm done, I always go back in with the colors and do it one more time for good measure so that I can ensure that there's good color payoff. So that's what I'm doing here. And you can, you know, you can skip this step if you want to. You could have stopped a long time ago, but I just like to, if I'm gonna be in a color, I want to be able to, you know, show it. So that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, more colors, sing it, baby. Yeah, was that too much? No, girl, it wasn't too much. Give it to him. Yes. Here we go with that navy, putting that color back in there too. This navy was really pretty too. I couldn't believe the navy showed up, but you can actually tell it's navy blue. So this is a really good palette. More on the other side, and see right there is where I noticed that, oh, there was fallout on my already done makeup, but I'm gonna clear it up later. So yeah, just doing my best with this blue, giving me fits, but we're hanging in there, I was excited to do this look. I wanted to make this my first tutorial because the blue was pretty popular. So now we're gonna do the wing liner, and that wing is going to, well actually this eyeliner, or whatever you call this, is really, really good. I think it's a liquid eyeliner or something like that by Milani. Very good as far as the pigmentation, and it helps you with that wing. Y'all see, I was happy. I like, yes, I love this eyeliner. This one is waterproof, so I'm just making sure that I'm getting this wing straight, because you know that wing will give you fits, honey. But it's all right. This time I did it all right. I think I was pretty satisfied with the way this turned out. So, aim, ooh, ooh. I had to do my little dance for you. So now I'm just going in with a Marc Jacobs regular eyeliner, and I'm putting that in my waterline because I'm getting ready to smoke this out with some of those colors from the palette. So yeah, smoke it, girl, smoke it. Go on, inhale it then. So just taking another contour brush and just kind of rubbing that bottom lid, or whatever you call it, so that the color of that black eyeliner kind of smudges out a little bit and isn't such a perfect line. Yes. So we did that, and then now we're going to go in with the colors that we added to our top lid, and we're just gonna have those just come down a little bit so that you can see the actual makeup look we did on our bottom lashes as well, or our bottom lids, or whatever you call that part down there. I always do the top and the bottom, especially with dark smoky colors. So I started with the navy, then went in with that other blue color, and then the last color that I'll go in with is the baby blue. to finish out the look. But right now, yeah, I'm going in with that the blue from that palette, and just giving her a nice little smoky ensemble there down at the bottom. And then there's that icy blue. Got me looking like Elsa on Frozen. Girl, almost start singing, let it go, let it go. Yes, this blue was, I was feeling the blue, honey. But yeah, and then my tear duct, I used the white color from the crayon case palette, the box of crayons. And it's just called white. Yep. So, of course, you gotta do the other side. Make sure that one's all nice and neat. Girl, yes, we see it. Okay, now we gotta work on this fallout. So I took whatever brush that is from Sephora, details below, and I got some banana powder and just kind of fluffed it out, trying to get rid of that blue that got all over my already done makeup. But I was having trouble with that. So I went in with the Beauty Blender and some banana powder to see if I could do it there. Still couldn't. So I had to go on and pull out the Micro Smooth. I knew this one was gonna come through for me, so it's my baby. Micro Smooth is a powder from Sephora that they are discontinuing, but it has proven to be a staple in my makeup game. So I went on and ordered about 8 of them babies. So if you're looking for the color tan, they're in my house, baby, because they ain't no more. Yes, I went on and got them. Micro Smooth is the fountain of youth. So I rubbed that all over, and that saved our makeup look today, ladies, because I was getting a little upset. But it worked out. It worked out. So we are going in with Troublemaker from Urban Decay. And then L'Oreal Telescopic in the color Carbon Black for the bottom lashes. And I did my lashes and lipstick off camera. I will add where I got those and what they are. But this look was something serious. I got a lot of compliments this day. So there's that Telescopic L'Oreal. And here she go. Hey, boo, hey. Look at that. Girl, that collarbone. Yes. Give it to him. There you go. That's the one. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next